Good day, my dear friends. On this first day of the Simbang Gabi, the Gospel from the account of John chapter 5 verses 33 to 36 reminds us that our faith begins not with our own wishes, but with God's testimony. Jesus speaks of John the Baptist as a lamp that burned and gave light. Yet he also points to a greater witness, that is, the words given him by the Father. As we rise early this morning and walk in the darkness towards the church, we mirror this journey of faith. We do not come to see a spectacle or to demand the blessings, but to recognize God's already at work among us. My dear friends, my dear brothers and sisters, Simbang Gabi is not a novena of demands, but a school of trusts, where we learn to see Christ in the quiet faithfulness of prayer, in our sacrifices, and of course, in the 9 nights of waking up early in the morning, and that's what I call perseverance. Like John, we are called to be lamps, humble, faithful, and burning with hope, so that our lives may point not to ourselves but to Jesus, whose works reveal the Father's love and whose light slowly but surely turns our Advent darkness into dawn. Enjoy the celebration of the Simbang Gabi, and I hope you can complete the 9 nights of this beautiful and wonderful Filipino tradition. If you love and like this reflection, kindly share it with your friends, share it with your family, make the Word of God viral so that many will be blessed.